What's going on, guys? It's Nick from Nick's Car Channel, and today I'm going to do a quick video on how to replace a battery in a 2016 Dodge Journey key fob. What you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. You can use the key itself, but I find it's just a little easier with the flathead. You turn it on around, there's going to be a notch right here. You slide to the left, pop the key out, and then this notch right here, what I do is I stick the flathead on the left and right, just kind of pry it open slowly. That way it just opens up nice and even. There we have it. It's going to be a little stuck. There we go. Carefully open it up. Careful with the components. The battery's right here. You can use your finger. There we go. The battery size is a CR2032. You can find these at your local grocery store or pharmacy, and I will include a link down below where you can get these as well. So once you get the new battery, you put it back the way it was facing, line up the grooves together, and you're going to give a good squeeze at each end. That way it is properly secured. All right, and then of course the key back in place. And there you have it. You got the battery replaced for you. If this video helped, give it a like, and I'll see you next time.